Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today's tutorial is a roller set and press. So I used my flat iron after I roller set my hair, and this is the result. I got these big fluffy curls. This is actually exactly what I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. Be sure to like the video if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I will be using water, mousse, and rollers. The rollers that I got are the Self Grip rollers by Conair. I got them from Walmart. I've never used these rollers before. The rollers that I used in my last roller set, they didn't have any grip to them, and I definitely prefer the grip now that I've tried them out. It actually does help a lot when it comes to rolling your hair and keeping the hair taut, and overall you get just a better result when it comes to taking the rollers down. I changed up the way that I part my hair when it comes to sectioning off for the rollers. Instead of trying to put the rollers in going from the front to the back, I'm now going from like side to side. So this section I put my hair in 2 large sections, and then I'll have about 4 subsections on each side of my head. So working from the top down really made a difference from going from the top to the back of my head. When it came to doing the rollers, it was just a lot easier to make my parts, and I wasn't messing up other rollers while I was trying to add a new roller in. So like this section here, I parted my hair by putting the roller on my head, and just wherever the roller stopped is where I made my part. So, and I did that all the way down. Now, the rollers are different colors and sizes, so that also kind of helped when it came to each other section. It was honestly the same pattern of rollers in each section, but I would just add another one when I got it to the back, because of course there was more hair back there. So literally I did the same row of rollers in each section, and I think I had about I had 8 sections all around my head. I worked from side to side adding the rollers in. So I finished that side, and now I did the exact same thing on the other side, and I just worked my way back doing the exact same pattern of rollers until I didn't have any more hair to add the rollers in. But like I said, I have not mastered this just yet, so I can't wait to do it again and get even better at it. I already know that in the back, I should have just used the pink rollers. My hair in the back is a lot more curlier than the front, so it just needs a little more help back there than the front does. So I'll definitely be sharing that process with you all, just me getting better overall when it comes to roller sets. But I did let my hair dry. I sat under the dryer for a long time and it still was not dry. So I did ultimately end up sleeping in these, and when I woke up, everything was dry. So the front of my head did very, very well. I was really pleased with that. The back of my head is where I needed a little more work with. And so for the back, I'll definitely do smaller sections next time with just the pink rollers, and I feel like that is gonna eat down. So I'm just taking my rollers out, and then I'll be combing the hair out, and then I'm just gonna follow up with my flat iron and curl my hair. So I love roller sets. That's why I have been practicing so hard. I cannot wait until I get my roller sets down packed to where I don't even need to follow up with my flat iron the way that I am in this video. Roller sets just add so much moisture to your hair, and it just looks overall healthy. It doesn't look too flat. So much body is left in the hair. I just love a good roller set, and of course it's better for your hair, less heat. So definitely try that out if you have not. I am still practicing my roller set, but I cannot wait to get it down.
can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhDs. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be happy. Didn't get the thoughts that we had. Didn't get the words that we said. We have so easily. Who would ever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Who would ever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never.